In this short video, I'll show you how to use COUNTIF in Excel so you can count high-performing keywords in marketing data. Let's get started. First, select the cell you would like to have the result in. As for me, it's this one. Next, type in equals COUNTIF, unopen parentheses, and select the data you'd like to input. For me, it's these. Put a comma on them, space, and a quotation mark. For the word I'm trying to look for is the SEO TIPS. It's SEO tips with another quotation mark and a closing parenthesis. And with that, just press enter. And that should give you the results. This helps you track how many times a specific keyword appears in marketing data, to help you track in high-performing keywords. Now you know how to use COUNTIF in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.